Hey guys, it's Steve here from NextGen AI, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT-o1 to produce amazing SEO optimized blog posts, and we're going to automate the whole linking process. That's internal and external links too, okay? Now, if you've written any kind of SEO content before blogging, you'll know exactly how painstaking and time consuming it is to research relevant, high authority academic links, and also to internally link those pages to your other articles for it to rank really well. I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process right now in this video, okay? So stay tuned, and also if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you an even easier way to do it all in just a couple of clicks, all right? So let's get started. So we're going to be using this custom prompt for ChatGPT-o1. Now you may be thinking, well, this doesn't look very long, right? Previously, in other versions and even with Claude, we've been using much longer prompts, okay? 600 words, 800 words, and talking about absolutely everything, the styling and, you know, removing repetition and things like that. ChatGPT-o1 is a lot cleverer out of the box. It thinks a lot more, it analyzes a lot more before it starts to answer your query, okay? So in this video, we're going to be asking ChatGPT-o1 to write a compelling SEO optimized article for the keyword best credit cards 2024. And we're going to be using this source here as context. I simply just typed best credit cards 2024 into Google, read through a few articles, and I found this one to be very good. Okay, we're going to say the article should be no more than 2,000 words, using simple, natural language, following a casual tone. And we're going to be avoiding AI buzzwords like supercharged and things like that, right? They're a dead giveaway for AI these days, okay? I'm sure you've seen enough of them. I certainly have. We want to make sure to include relevant external authority links on the topic and then add them in naturally throughout the article, okay? Very important. And the key here is we're going to be optimizing the output for keyword LSIs and entities and then adding internal links, okay? So this is really important. In fact, we're going to do this now, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use Neuron Writer. You can use any kind of content editing tool you want. You can use Surfer, Neuron Writer. There's also a free platform called Zista. I've not used it yet, guys, so I can't vouch for it, but I've heard some people are using it. But I'm using Neuron Writer today, and I simply added best credit cards 2024, okay? Now, not asked it to generate any content, but what it's done is it's taken a look at that keyword on Google and has generated all the different entities and LSIs that we should include in our article, and also the amount of times that we should mention them too. So that's really key, and we're simply going to be using these inside our custom prompt for the article for ChatGPT to optimize and produce content accordingly, okay? So what we can do is we can copy and paste all of these, and we also want to include the numbers or the suggested numbers of times they should be included in the article, right, guys? Because GPT-o1 is super intelligent. It will know exactly what we're on about. So you want to go ahead and copy these and add it in here to your article. So we can go ahead, and if we click copy here, we want to include the suggested terms, suggested uses, and we just simply paste that in here. Okay, so it's going to make our prompt a lot longer, but it's 90% is just simply the LSIs and entities. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and complete this prompt by, here we go, internal links. Okay, so what we mean by internal links is that in order to give your pages extra ranking juice, internal links are a really important factor, okay? And you want to be adding in internal links naturally into your article, okay? Linking back to other articles of yours where relevant. So you want to do this automatically on autopilot, okay? So the best way to do this is to go and generate a sitemap. So from your own website, you can use something like Yoast or Rank Math to be able to do that really quickly. Basically what I did earlier is I just generated a dummy site called Credit Wizard and generated a sitemap for myself for this dummy site, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy and paste my links to my other pages and put them into our custom prompt here, okay? Boom. All right, so we've got our LSIs and entities. We've got our internal links that we're going to be linking back to in the article, and the rest of the prompt should take care of itself, okay? Now, guys, this is a really simple prompt. We just want to show the power of GPT-o1 and its reasoning and its analysis, okay? But this should, out of the bat, do something really good, okay? So we've done that inside ChatGPT-o1, and it's generated this article here, okay? So the thing I want to change from this For some reason it put October 2024 because that's the current date. We want to remove October from the title because that's not what we wanted. But we can see it's added here, external links, and then we can see internal links here, internal links here. And we can see they've added them in naturally throughout the article. Okay, explore more travel cards. Yeah, okay. So this is good. And there's a conclusion there. Okay, so it's done, I would say a reasonable job out of the bat. So we want to go and check what the SEO score is for this article. So inside Neuron Writer, again, use whichever content editor you want. We're just going to go ahead and paste the article in here and remove October for the title. So we did that here, and okay, so we got an SEO score of 71 straight off the bat just with this prompt. Okay, the only editing I've done to this is remove the reference to October from the H1 from the title. Okay, and we can see here, it's got the links. For some reason that didn't link, even though it was linked in ChatGPT, but we can go ahead and modify that or change that ourselves, and we can see it's inserted links into here naturally. Without keyword cramming or anything like that. Brilliant. All right. And again, we can further use this to optimize further, but 71 scores straight out of the bat just with this simple prompt, guys, is really, really awesome. With the previous versions of ChatGPT, the prompt would have had to have a lot more information. As I'm really, really happy with that, especially with no editing. We can go ahead and improve this further, add more things to the prompt, change more things to the prompt. So really, really happy with that. Okay, so hopefully you can see just how easy it is to get a really good SEO optimized blog post, but also automate the internal and external linking process. Okay, we want to focus on keyword LSIs and entities. We want to ask ChatGPT to include relevant external authority links and add them in naturally through the article, and also we want to include our internal links, insert them naturally by providing the sitemap there, or pages that you want to include or links you want to include in the article. Okay, really, really, really awesome. Okay, so hopefully you learned a thing or two there, and go ahead and have a play around. You can get this prompt. What I'll do is I'll put it into this week's newsletter, so you want to go ahead and sign up to the newsletter below, the Next Gen AI newsletter. I only send out one email a week, guys. I don't spam you, and hopefully you'll find it really, really helpful. Now, I did say at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you a way to make this even easier, okay? And one of the questions I've been asked so far since starting this channel is, what AI SEO writer do you use? Do you just use prompts for everything? And the answer is, I do use prompts, but I also use an AI SEO writing platform. And the platform I use is called Journalist AI. So if you go to tryjournalist.com or you go to my link below, you will get a 10% discount off if you sign up through my link below, exclusively using the discount code, which you'll find in the description. Okay, but even if you sign up, guys, there's no credit card required. You get 3 free articles straight out of the bat, and then you can decide if it's something you want to continue using or not. Okay, no obligation. But why I like Journalist AI, it's really, really simple to use. It's got a lot of automation features like auto blogging, auto publishing to your blog, to your WordPress, to your Ghost, to your Shopify, to your WooCommerce, whatever. And it also automates some of the mundane manual stuff like internal linking, external linking. But why I really like it as well, for example, this is an article I produced with it. It's got an AI SEO edited suite in here. So let's just say I wanted to modify this paragraph. We can see I've got different options to rewrite here: simplify, make list, make table. So let's make a list or make a table here out of the information provided, and then the AI has made it. I'm going to accept it, and it's completely changed it into a table, right? Let's go back on that, and what we can do is we can also add external, internal links with just one click. Okay, so again, this is a massive time saver. Okay, I don't have to go ahead and research. I can just quite simply bang, I want to link in there, and it's done it. Okay, all right, the formatting's off a little bit there, probably because I moved it into a table, right? But you can see how it works. If I put it back off a table, it would have done it fine. Internal links as well, let's go with this here. This is a real time saver. Okay, now what I was going to do, I've got no internal links saved to this project. Okay, but if I did, they'd all appear here, and I just go pop, boom, internal link and done. Or alternatively, Alternatively, when you create this article, you can have it set up on autopilot to do the linking, and the AI will take care of it. Okay, really, really awesome. I love Journalist AI. So sign up through my link below, get the 3 free credits, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe and like buttons, sign up to the newsletter, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.